Get ready for an adrenaline rush. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to the next level like need. Individuals wielding chainsaws engage in the felling of substantial arboreal specimens. An overloaded truck traversed a wooden bridge, leading to an unexpected outcome. The bridge, unable to sustain the excessive weight, collapsed. The tree barber-chaired because the notch closed on itself, creating internal pressure that traveled up the stem, a predictable hazard, especially on straight-grained pines. Which underscores the importance of using an open-face notch and ensuring the back cut is slightly above the notch's vertex to avoid such dangers and prevent injuries, offering a valuable lesson for both new and experienced fellers. After Hurricane Sandy, a large oak tree fell, its roots deep in wet soil. Using the 20-inch steel chainsaw, MS-290, he cut near the root ball first to prevent the tree frond being pulled back. Placing logs underneath the trunk helps stabilize it, making it easier to finish the cut. The Style MS-290 handled the task effortlessly, clearing the site efficiently. The Ahui RT800 Raptor is a powerful forestry mulching machine with an 800 horsepower engine, designed to handle dense vegetation and large organic material. Weighing approximately 20 tons, it features a M900-2300 cutting head that rotates at 1,000 RPM. Its advanced hydraulic system adapts to various terrains, ensuring efficient and precise processing. Those big old trees lining our country roads? Beautiful, but they can be a real danger if they're too close to the road and block our view. We gotta trim them back or take them down to keep our roads safe. In situations like these, your safety and financial well-being depends solely on luck. Watching the controlled felling of a massive conifer in the Pacific Northwest is a striking reminder of both human ingenuity and the sheer force of nature. Take note of the precise cuts and expert techniques employed by Bjarne Butler. His skillful and highly technical approach is the mark of a true craftsman, ensuring safety while minimizing environmental impact. This is a Frick 00 circular sawmill that has undergone a complete and beautiful restoration. It is equipped with a 48-inch saw blade with carbide tips, which is perfect for cutting hardwood. The sawmill is powered by a 3-cylinder Detroit diesel engine, which provides plenty of power for heavy-duty sawing. The restoration work carried out by Gary is flawless. He is clearly a master craftsman. HSLM Forest truly showcased the 405 H2L's capabilities in this Austrian Alps demonstration. The footage highlights the forwarder's exceptional gradability and the grapple's precision even on steep inclines. This machine redefines harvesting efficiency in challenging terrain thanks to its articulated steering system and high-torque hydrostatic transmission. A must-watch for anyone in the forestry industry. Effortlessly remove unsightly stumps with this powerful and efficient grinding tool. Engineered for ease of use and optimal performance, it transforms a laborious task into a smooth and satisfying experience. Watch the video to witness its capabilities. The Ventrac KC180 stump grinder is a game changer for land clearing. Its 18-inch cutter head with 16 carbide teeth makes quick work of any stump, grinding down to 6 inches below grade. Powered by a robust 35 horsepower engine, it's compact enough for tight spaces, yet powerful enough for the toughest jobs. A must-have for any professional landscaper. The Hypro 755 HB harvester, featuring the Hypro FG 45 clamp, boasts an impressive 45 centimeter felling capacity, effortlessly handling even complex root systems. This precision ensures minimal soil disturbance and promotes rapid regeneration, vital for sustainable forestry practices in Sweden's expansive woodlands. Using chains and tires to extract a stump leverages fundamental physics, transforming the vehicle into a powerful lever. However, chain failure under such immense tension presents a significant safety hazard. The sudden release of stored energy could result in unpredictable and potentially dangerous projectile motion, akin to a malfunctioning slingshot. The Volvo FH16600 boasts a formidable 16-liter inline 6-turbo diesel engine capable of generating 600 horsepower and a staggering 2,065 pound-feet of torque. This translates to effortless acceleration and remarkable pulling power, making even the most challenging inclines seem trivial. The I-Shift automated manual transmission ensures seamless gear changes, optimizing both performance and fuel efficiency. The Morbark 30 RXL chippervester is a marvel of modern forestry engineering. Its 83-inch chipper disc, driven by a 1,050 horsepower Caterpillar C27 engine, can process whole trees with remarkable efficiency. The hydraulic feed system ensures optimal material flow, while the IQAN control system allows for precise operation and monitoring. This machine truly represents the cutting edge of wood processing technology. The SHKYV TN130D PRO is a high-performance wood chipper designed for demanding tasks. Equipped with a 15-horsepower diesel engine and a large flywheel, it generates significant torque to process a wide variety of wood debris. Despite its power, the TN130D PRO remains fuel efficient, making it a cost-effective solution for your chipping needs. The Style 090G and McCulloch 797G chainsaws are both powerful tools, but they serve slightly different purposes. The Style 090G is designed for heavy-duty, industrial use, offering unmatched power with its high displacement engine. In contrast, the McCulloch 797G provides reliable performance for medium to large tasks, balancing power and durability for both professional and home use. The Pezzolato PTH 1400/1000M redefines high-capacity wood processing. Its 1150 horsepower CAT C27 engine, coupled with a cutting-edge drum design, delivers an impressive 300 cubic meters per hour throughput. This translates to unparalleled efficiency for large-scale forestry operations. The PTH 1400/1000M's robust construction and wide drum opening ensure reliability and the capacity to handle oversized logs, making it a leader in its class. The Lishide 240.8 Fahrenheit excavator is a powerful machine with a 170 kilowatt engine, offering excellent performance and fuel efficiency. Its spacious cabin and intuitive controls ensure operator comfort and ease of use. Built for durability and versatility, it's perfect for demanding construction and mining tasks.
This house, small job, but even then, never underestimate.
The subject is utilizing a single rope technique, SRT, to ascend a tree with a significant lean, commonly referred to as a widowmaker. Note the controlled ascent, secure anchor points, and consistent attention to rope management. This demonstrates a thorough understanding of safety protocols and best practices for minimizing risk in challenging climbing scenarios. Proper gear selection, including a helmet, harness, and climbing spurs, is also evident. Drivers in some parts of Asia exhibit a bold driving style. They confidently tackle traffic challenges, maximizing available road space. Their actions can evoke strong reactions from those unfamiliar with such practices. The Ecolog 590D is a powerful forestry harvester with a 240 kilowatt engine and a reach of up to 11.5 meters. It features a 280-degree rotating cab and a Logmax 6000/7000 cutting head, providing excellent visibility and performance for efficient forest operations. The Chippo 8010C is a compact mini projector with a resolution of 854 by 480 pixels and 100 ANSI lumens brightness. It features Android OS, supports HDMI, USB, AV, WiFi, and BLUET/OOTH connections. With a 4,000 milliamp-hour battery, it provides up to 2 hours of usage, making it ideal for on-the-go entertainment or presentations. The mission, though not yielding optimal results, concluded without the loss of any lives.
Oh my God.
Man, it totally looked like we were screwed, like we needed someone to bail us out. But guess what? We were wrong. Surprise! This evokes imagery reminiscent of the literary figure Don Quixote and his engagement with windmills, albeit with a contemporary, mechanized twist. This Alpine TT4 tractor is a testament to its durable design and the skill of its operator. It's amazing that it's still running after all these years. Age is truly just a number for this machine. The Pezzolato TLA 15 per TB900 redefines firewood processing. Its automated system handles logs up to 21 meters, effortlessly cutting, splitting, and cleaning. This translates to increased productivity and reduced labor costs, maximizing your operational efficiency. And that concludes our exciting journey with MrTech. We hope that through our shared insights, your passion for forestry has been ignited and somewhat fulfilled. See you in the next videos.